my friends, this is Jeannie. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am going to do an unboxing in this video. I am going to share with you a monthly subscription box called Mindful Souls. Let me just turn this down so that you can see. This is the box. I recently subscribed to this box. It is not a cheap box. It's kind of spendy at $39.99 a month, but from my research and what I have seen, it seems that the box is very much worth every penny. If you're curious what this box is all about, it's basically, as I said, a monthly subscription. It's meant to promote spiritual growth and spiritual awareness and just being in a positive, healthy mindset. You get 6 to 8 items in every box. The items include beauty products, aromatherapy, gemstone jewelry, calming crystals, wellness goodies, and other things of that nature. Every month you get a different box. I will say that based on my research and what I have seen, it seems that the introduction box, the very first box you get once you subscribe, is the same. Everyone gets the same first box. When you open the box, it's beautifully packaged. You have this nice crinkly paper to protect all of the items that are in here. You get this very large card which gives you an introduction to the box. I'll hold it here in case you want to read the introduction. And on the back of the card is all of the information for the items that are included in your box. And again, I will hold that here for anyone who might be interested in learning more about the individual items in this box. So I'm so excited to get into this, so let's get into it. Included in the box is an affirmation card. This one is an affirmation for creativity. My unique and creative talents and abilities flow through me. Absolutely love that. I will be keeping those. I have to find a cute little way to store them. First item I see is this beautiful dream catcher. I recently ordered a dream catcher for me, and I did that because I have been having some horrible dreams. Lately my mind has been feeling scattered, and I feel like there's this, I don't know, dark cloud hovering over me, and I feel like this negative energy trying to push in, which is kind of weird because I feel like I've been in a really positive place lately. Like everything's going well. I'm really happy with everything that's going on in my life. But when I go to sleep at night, it's like a whole different world. It's just horrible. So I'm just trying to figure out how I can change that, because this lack of sleep is just doing me wrong. So it's interesting that I would get this mini dream catcher when I ordered a much larger one for my bedroom, and I hope for it to be arriving soon. I might share that one with you when it comes in, but this is awesome. Maybe I'll take this to my office, hang it in my office, but it is absolutely beautiful. Has a ring, and it also has a lobster claw, and the quality is very nice. Look at this. Has this beautiful feather on it. I love the coloring. I love the colors. The browns, oranges, and turquoise. Absolutely love it. I also see some fragrance oil. This one is Rosemary. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Have a little Buddha figurine. Oh my gosh. How big is she? How big is this? It's pretty big. Gorgeous. Let's see. It's almost 3.5 inches tall. Gorgeous. I will definitely be setting this up in my room. I cleared a little space in my room to have like a little meditation, self reflecting, just calm yourself down zone. And I will definitely be adding this to that area of my room. The quality is just great, beautiful. I might put a little bit of felt on the bottom here just to keep it from scratching the wood shelf. Gorgeous. Then we have, did I share with you? Let's see. Oh, this looks a sticker. Mindful Souls sticker. When I opened the box, this was the first thing that fell out, so I wanted to make sure I share that with you. I'll be adding that to one of my art journals for sure. And here are the other products. What I love is that they are individually wrapped in these beautiful, thick, really good quality canvas cinch bags. On the front of the bag is the Mindful Souls logo. But these bags are fantastic. It's definitely a way to keep your crystals and whatever pieces you get stored safely, if that's what you want to do. And in this first one, we have some rose quartz. This is a rose quartz pointer crystal. I have my my little cheat sheet next to me. Rose quartz pointer crystal, stone of the heart, a crystal of unconditional love and infinite peace. Beautiful. Before I open the other bags, let me give you more information about what I've opened. This is the Serenity Buddha figurine. It's for people who are either looking for peace and calm in their lives, or for those who wish to improve their own meditation skills. The dream catcher originates with the Ojibwe people, a group of natives of North America. It was said that dream catchers caught any harm that might be in the air. As a spider's web, it catches and holds whatever comes in contact with it. So hang it or wear it. Dream catchers are things that bring a positivity in the life and peace to your mind. Love that. I don't see why you can't restring this and almost wear it as a necklace. It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so now that we have caught up on that, let me share with you the two remaining items that I've received. Oh, this is beautiful. This is a white turquoise and lava stone bracelet. Oh, it's gorgeous. I love lava stone. I recently, by recently, I mean February, visited Hawaii and brought back a lot of lava stone jewelry with me, and I wear it quite frequently. So let's read what this is about. Turquoise has long been considered a master healer, said to assist the absorption of nutrients while strengthening the immune system and stimulating tissue regeneration. Black lava bead is an indigenous volcanic rock that is basically molten lava that has solidified under intense pressure and heat. It is a stone of strength, fire, passion, and courage that brings stability throughout changes in your life. It helps you to harness the power of the fire within. Lava beads are porous and can even absorb the oils of your choice. Oh, so you can put a drop or two of your essential oils onto this, and the scent will last for about a day. Wonderful. Gorgeous. And for anyone who might be interested in knowing, this is an opal bracelet. Natural opal. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is also opal, this ring. They call it fairy-like opal. Absolutely gorgeous. This is the last one. Oh, this is beautiful. Very pretty. This is a pendulum amethyst necklace. Gorgeous. I love the cording. I love the gold detailing. It's not like a bright gold, more like a muted gold. Isn't that beautiful? Let's see how big it is. It is about 1.25 inches. Beautiful. So let's read a little bit about it. Amethyst is one of the most spiritual stones, promoting love and encouraging selflessness and spiritual wisdom. Mentally, it helps you to feel less scattered, more focused, and in control of your faculties. Nice. That's what I need. I have been feeling so scattered lately, my friends. It's kind of scary. But that is beautiful. So that is the entire box. I am so thrilled and just happy, to the moon with what I received. I think what I will do is every month I will unbox my box and share it with you so that you can see what I received. I think it's absolutely worth the money. And the best part about this subscription box is I can cancel at any time, though I don't see me doing that anytime soon. This is my gift to me and I absolutely love it. So that is all for this video, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. And I hope you will join me again for the next unboxing. Wonderful. I appreciate you so much, my friends. I will catch you all in the next video. Until next time, bye-bye.